this is one of these major earthquake happened in Taiwan since the Chichi earthquake. So we expect those vulnerable buildings will have soft story collapse. And it's my understanding that 2 of those buildings in Hualien has already collapsed. So the first story will collapse and the rest of it just come down.
Okay, and from a structural engineering standpoint, what's the biggest challenges that first responders might face now in the aftermath of such a large earthquake? What's the immediate priority? What's the immediate focus on the ground?
Of course, is to prevent further damage because aftershock will happen sometimes. So we want to make sure the building already are damaged. We can quickly evacuate the people in the building and also the surrounding building because we don't want to see the next aftershock comes, it will further collapse and hit the building next to the damaged building. So we need to quickly evacuate the people.
That's a clear concern.
That's right. Yeah.
That's a clear concern right now as well. You mentioned Taiwan expected to be hit by these aftershocks over the next 3 to 4 days. Japan was also issued with an earlier tsunami warning that we mentioned, and some shocks were felt as far as the Chinese mainland. Where else should we be looking out for right now for contagion effects and the contagion risks?
Sorry, it's not clear to me. You're saying where we should look for potential vulnerable area? Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, so it's my understanding the earthquake was, epicenter was in the east part of Taiwan, and we see many of the damage already happened. And I was told by my colleagues in Taipei, right now Taipei is not heavily damaged, so that's a very good news. Except I believe one of the MRT systems is already stopping because some of the structural damage but they're still assessing it right now. But I think I'm very happy to see Taipei is not heavily damaged at the moment.